Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to tell you how you can pair this Kenstar BLDC fan remote with the fan.
Yeah, first of all, at the back side, there are some instructions. I'll read remote pairing instructions. Okay, switch on the main supply means the power button. I'll be showing you that. First step, we need to switch on the power button. Then we need to press 3 to 4 seconds on the power button. See here, this is the on and off, right? I need to long press. See here, whenever we press, there is light indicator here, LED light indicator, which is lighting up in red. Okay, 3 to 4 seconds on this button. Then after that, I need to press number 1, means 1 speed. This is what instructed. Then the remote is ready to work with the fan. This is what we need to do. We need to do that in the live. Okay, I'm going there.
Okay, this is the fan switch. I need to first switch the power supply on. Once you switch on the main supply, you need to press this power button continuously for 3 to 4 seconds. Then after that you need to press on 1. If fan is not responding, do the procedure again by going to the exactly 90 degrees here straightly and do that. Yes, now it has responded. I am clicking on number 1. See here, fan is just paired up with the remote, and now I'll increasing the fan speed. If anyone missed the unboxing video of this Kenstar BLDC fan, I'll drop the link in the description. Just find and check the full description. Sorry, not full description, full unboxing video in the description. Now I'll just click on 3, then followed by 4, then followed by 5, which is full speed, and there is one button boost here. I'll try to click the boost also. Yeah, the fan speed is really good, and the budget is below 2000. This BLDC fan is 5-star BLDC fan, and this is under 2000, which is very good price, and the airflow is awesome. So now I'll just switch it off with the off button. Yeah, see here, it just got turned off. Okay, so we'll check the button here.
We'll have the closer look at the remote. Power on and off, same button. There is 5 speeds. Along with that, there is extra speed called boost, so it will rotate, fan will rotate even more faster. And there is reverse direction, and there is smart, means if you click on the smart, for every 2 hours the span will get reduced. Say for example, if you click 5 and then click smart, then after 2 hours the fan goes to 4, after 2 hours the fan goes to 3, after 2 hours to 1. This will be useful in the winter seasons especially. If you want to decrease the fan speed gradually automatically, then the smart feature is really useful. And 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours is the timer. Say for example, if I click at 8 hours, after 8 hours without turning off this off, the fan will get switched off automatically. Yeah, please do comment your opinions, and if you are facing still the pairing issues, you can just comment down below.